SLB Connect is a unique public and government participation project that brings a whiff of fresh air and confidence among people. Funded by World Bank, SLB Connect aims to improve urban services through citizens' involvement. Built on the Ministry of Urban Development Service Level Benchmarks Program, SLB Connect is developed through a partnership between the Ministry and the World Bank's Water and Sanitation Program. It has total support of ICT unit of World Bank. The main purpose of the SLB program is to shift focus from infrastructure creation to the delivery of service outcomes.
WSP had been supporting the Ministry of Urban Development on the SLB program. In the course of this program, a need was felt to involve citizens in the performance monitoring process, and that's how the idea of SLB Connect was born.
It covers water supply, wastewater, solid waste management, and storm water drainage. Since its inclusion in the 13th Finance Commission recommendations, SLB has become an integral component of the urban reform agenda being implemented at various levels. For providing the best facilities to the people, a feedback is the most important element of the entire operation. Trained enumerators use an Android-based mobile application to survey residents on service-related issues. Once the data is collected, administrators can analyze survey results using a customized online dashboard. The results address the needs of various stakeholders, including city managers, water sector professionals, researchers, civic organizations, and citizens. Efforts are underway to replicate SLB Connect across multiple cities, as well as to integrate its tool into upcoming water and sanitation projects. The SLB Connect project attempts to take a step in this direction by using ICT technologies to systematically capture the feedback of water service customers in India's urban areas. It uses innovative mobile, GPS, and other analytical tools to get accurate location and authenticity of collected data. SLB Connect effectively uses the potential of mobile and emerging media technologies to facilitate tracking of service delivery based on citizen feedback. Last year, SLB Connect launched a pilot project in Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation. The project used innovative mobile and ICT tools to conduct, monitor, analyze, and disseminate the results of customer feedback surveys.
Under this SLB Connect program, 65 questions were asked to the citizens with the help of Android mobile, and the data was collected, real-time data was collected on our server.
Concerned citizens from different walks of life attended the pilot project conducted. It was the first municipality in India where SLB Connect was tried. It was a huge success and laid a firm foundation for SLB Connect initiative and the lives of Indian citizens. The project helped focus the planning and funding of water services on outcomes that are more responsive to customer needs.
And since the services are of a continuum nature, we want to repeat the survey every 6 months or maximum every year, so that we keep on tracking the same group of citizens and how we are improving our service. By taking a sample of about 5,000 plus households, we could get a representative sample, and the snapshot or the picture for the entire city could be drawn from the same. Secondly, the technology which was used was altogether new technology, where the instruments were used and there was a real-time data updation, and it was coupled with geo-tracking, so that we could identify whether the surveyors were actually visiting the households. And this kind of technology helped us in completing the survey in error-free manner and getting the real feedback from the citizens.
SLB Connect can provide a reality check for the performance levels reported by service providers, as well as analyze performance in and between specific service areas, including slums. It makes it possible to integrate the priorities of a city's people into how that city plans and funds its public services. The citizen-centric approach is part of a broader movement to bring about a shift in focus from process inputs to service outcomes.